Hello friends, welcome to our channel Be Believer. Have you ever heard the story of Rajan, the man who turned his tiny village restaurant into a thriving culinary empire? No? Well, let me tell you, it's quite an inspiring tale. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green hills and clear blue lakes, there was a tiny restaurant called Serenity's Stable. The restaurant was owned by Rajan, a humble and hard-working man. Rajan's primary source of income wasn't the restaurant, though. It was his beloved cow, Nandi. Nandi provided fresh milk, butter, and cheese, which Rajan sold to the villagers. People loved the quality of his dairy products and came from nearby villages to buy them. One evening, as the sun was setting and painting the sky with beautiful hues of orange and pink, a saint with a long flowing beard and bright, piercing eyes walked into Serenity's stable. The saint ordered a simple meal and ate it slowly, savoring each bite with a look of pure delight on his face. After finishing his meal, he approached Rajan, who was busy cleaning tables and serving the last few customers of the day. Rajan, the saint said, his voice carrying a sense of authority and wisdom, "You have a gift. This restaurant has the potential to be something great, to serve many more than just this village. You should focus on it." Rajan laughed heartily at the saint's words. "Oh, wise saint, my restaurant is just a pastime. My real income comes from Nandi. Without her, I wouldn't survive a month." The saint's eyes twinkled with a mysterious light. Sometimes, to discover your true potential, you must let go of what holds you back. Rajan chuckled again and bid the saint farewell, thinking nothing of his words. That night, as the village slept under a blanket of stars, something unexpected happened. The saint, moving silently like a shadow, crept into Rajan's barn. He gently untethered Nandi and led her away into the darkness. When Rajan woke up the next morning, he was shocked to find that Nandi was gone. He searched high and low, his heart heavy with despair, but Nandi was nowhere to be found. With his primary source of income gone, Rajan was at a loss. He sat in his empty restaurant, feeling the weight of his misfortune. But as the days passed, he realized he had no choice but to make the best of what he had. He decided to focus all his energy and efforts on Serenity's stable. Rajan started experimenting with new recipes, using the freshest ingredients he could find. He poured his heart and soul into every dish he made, determined to make his restaurant a success. Slowly but surely, word began to spread beyond the village. Travelers from neighboring towns and cities started flocking to Serenity's stable, drawn by the promise of extraordinary flavors and warm hospitality. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Rajan's hard work began to pay off. His small restaurant, once just a side business, became a bustling. 5 years later, the once humble eatery had transformed into a grand establishment, renowned far and wide. Rajan had opened several more restaurants, each flourishing under his diligent care and passion for perfection. He had become a successful and respected restaurateur. One day, as Rajan was overseeing the bustling activity in his flagship restaurant, he noticed a familiar figure walk through the doors. It was the saint, his beard longer and eyes twinkling even brighter than before. Rajan's eyes widened in surprise and recognition. "You!" Rajan exclaimed. "You're the saint who took Nandi from me." The saint smiled kindly. I am, indeed. But look around you, Rajan. Look at what you have achieved. You were chained by your reliance on Nandi. By letting her go, you were forced to explore your true potential. Rajan's mind raced back over the years of hard work, the challenges, and the triumphs. He realized the truth in the saint's words. Losing Nandi had been a blessing in disguise, pushing him to discover a talent he never knew he had. Thank you, Rajan said, his voice filled with gratitude. You saw in me what I could not see in myself. The saint nodded. Remember, Rajan, sometimes our greatest obstacles are the very things that hold us back. Letting go is the first step to greatness. With that, the saint departed, leaving Rajan to reflect on the remarkable journey he had undertaken. He had turned a small village restaurant into a culinary empire, all because he had been forced to let go of what he thought he couldn't live without. And so, the moral of Rajan's story echoed through the village and beyond. When you let go of your obstacles, you unlock your full potential and achieve greatness beyond your wildest dreams. Isn't it amazing how sometimes, what seems like a terrible loss can actually be the push we need to find our true potential? Rajan's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of embracing change. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends.